I want you all to have a standard. Okay, so for that I'm teaching better. That standard should be maintained, and you should know how to solve these type of questions. Fine. So till now we talked about okay, today beta we talked about in number system we have discussed everything. So welcome everyone. Today we are going to study some rationalization. Okay, from today what I'm doing is I'm starting rationalization. Kanishka, that negative part tomorrow I will teach. Fine beta. So that in the physics session, I will be explaining you with an example and numerical, I will explain. Okay. So that you will be able to understand acceleration part. So now children understand very nicely. One word is called as rationalization. Okay. So we are going to start today's class, rationalization. Okay. Now under rationalization, okay, root 3 plus 5 irrational. First, that question you wanted to me to solve. Okay, one more time. One question is given 7 minus root 5. Prove that 7 minus root 5 is irrational. So what I will do first, beta, I will say, if possible, let 7 minus root 3 is rational. I told you in the previous class itself, na? So what you have to start with? Start by saying that if possible, if possible, let 7 minus root 5 is rational number. So if it will be rational number, it will be written as 7 minus root 5 is equal to P by Q. Where P and Q are integers, definition of rational number, and Q is not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number, na beta, ki any number of the form P by Q where Q is not equal to 0 is called as rational number. Okay, so now beta, again I told you na, take it as equation 1. Then what should be the next method? Can anybody tell me what should be the next method, beta? Once you are taking it equal to equation 1, after that what you will do? Tell me, I told you the procedure, what you will do? Very good, Vishal. You are going to squaring both sides. So we will write squaring both sides of equation 1. Squaring both sides of equation 1, then this one will become beta 7 minus root 5 whole square is equal to P by Q whole square. Now beta A minus B whole square formula. What is A minus B whole square formula? A minus B whole square formula is A square plus B square minus 2AB, yes or no? So here also 7 minus A minus B whole square you have to do. So 7 minus root 5 whole square is equal to P square by Q square beta. So now this will come A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, so 7 square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So beta minus 5 whole square will become plus only. So 7 square will become what? 7 square will become 49. Root under 5 will become minus root under 5 will become 5 only. Then this one will become minus 10 root 5 is equal to P square by Q square. Okay, beta. So now add this one and shift everything that side. I told you now after squaring it, start shifting everything one side. Okay, and let the root be alone. You do one thing, you let the root be alone. So let this root be alone. Root is creating problem for us now. So let this root be alone, beta. Let this root be alone. So what we are going to write here, beta? So minus 10, we will shift it as it is. And what we will write, minus this one is equal to p square by q square. Now shift this one, 49 plus 5 will become, beta, how much? 54. Will it be 54, 49, 9 plus 110? So it will become 54. But when this will shift this side, it will become minus 54. Now, what you have to do, you have to take minus 10 and shift this side. So root 5 will be equal to, root 5 will be equal to minus 1 by 10, beta, because minus got shifted. And nothing written means here 1. 54 by nothing written means there 1, beta. Now you tell me, okay, somebody was giving the answer, but at the time of writing, I didn't told anything because someone was giving this link to me that auntie, LHS is equal to RHS. And by LHS is equal to RHS part only, we will be able to solve, auntie. Ashwin, very good, Ashwin. So beta here, what is LHS? So you will write now statement writing, because now beta this much only you have to do. Shift everything one side and keep root in other side. Now you see here, p square by q square. Here p square by q square is rational number. Okay, now if we will subtract 54 from that also, then too it will be rational number. This is also rational. So after subtracting also it will come rational. Okay, now if we will multiply it with minus 1 by 10 also, then too it will be rational. So this one is also rational. This one is also rational number. Now beta, LHS and RHS, are they? Darshini didn't understood, Darshini. What is the formula for a square plus b square, beta? Here minus 5 will come inside. Every, Darshini understood. Okay. Beta, every subtraction is a type of addition. First, everyone note down somewhere. Every subtraction is a type of addition. Every subtraction is a type of addition. Every subtraction is a type of addition. Now, how to prove this point? So now look here, beta. I'm first explaining 7 minus root 5 is there. Whole square is there. But beta, shall we write this minus root 5? Shall we take it inside? Whenever plus and minus will multiply, it will become minus only. What is the difference? No difference. So beta, shall we write this as a square plus b square format? When you will take root under minus 5 inside, now it is coming in the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Not understood, beta. Every subtraction is a type of addition. I repeat, every subtraction is a type of addition. And whenever you will be writing that one, beta, minus can go inside the bracket. Now it is not minus, it is a particularly a plus. Now use plus formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So beta, what is a here? A is 7 here. What is b here? B is minus root 5 whole square. Then it is 2 into 7 into minus root 5. So that is why it is coming as minus 2 into 7 into root 5. Yes, Or if you want, you can directly write root 5 whole square. Because it is formula beta, a square plus b square plus 2ab formula is there. By binomial expansion, now we have expanded it and we got a formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you want, I can solve that also and explain you. So after writing in what we have done, we have shifted everything in one side and then we said that this side is rational. So now final answer, what we will say, since we know that in an equation LHS is equal to RHS, since in an equation LHS is equal to RHS, but here LHS is RHS is rational number and LHS is irrational. Okay, so LHS is coming exactly, but RHS is coming rational, LHS this side, LHS this side is coming irrational. Hence, our supposition is wrong. So, 7 minus root 5 is irrational number. Seven minus root 5 is irrational. Now understood or not, beta? Now understood or not? Please tell me now understood or not. So you understand the format. What you have to do? Listen to me. What you have to do? You have to first take it equal to rational number, square it, then shift all the numbers one side and say they are rational. And root section left is, for root section you write root 5 is irrational. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So which is contradicting our supposition that 7 minus root 5 is what you called 7 minus root 5 is exactly rational. It is exactly irrational number. Okay, very good, very good. Some are telling answer. Vishal also told the answer. Fine. Understood or not, beta? One more time. So when you see the video one more time, I'm giving you two questions. Just note down the question for today. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is irrational and prove that so you have to prove this two as irrational. Note down this one. This is your homework. You have to do it. 7 plus 7 minus root 3 irrational and 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Now, shall we go back to rationalization? Everybody understood this part, beta? Formula. I will teach you the formula, three important identity formula. One time I'll give you. But before that, once you will go to algebra, you will be studying the best part of algebra. Okay. Don't worry about that. Write everything in your note, then only you will be able to understand it. So practice it. You are not watching the video and then writing the content. If you will write it in your note, then you will understand fast. Okay. Now let's go to rationalization. Rationalization is a very important concept and you are going to do that. Ready, everyone? Super, Vinit. Absolutely fantastic job. Very good. That is the identity. That is 1, 2, 3. That is identity. Identity formula. Identity formula number 1. Identity formula number 2. Identity formula 3 is there. One more identity is there. That I'll discuss afterwards, but that I'll discuss in algebra. So now let's start rationalization. You know what rationalization says, that I hate root. I hate root. Specifically, if the root is in the denominator, I hate it. Where they are hating root? When it is in the denominator. So if somebody will tell you rationalize 1 by root 2, then what you will do? Very good, Karishka, very good, Keshav. So if somebody will tell you rationalize 1 by root 2, what you will do, beta? Rationalize 1 by root 2, then what you will do? So I'll tell you a shortcut method. Here it is root 2 is there na beta. Then you multiply up also root 2 and multiply down also root 2. This is called as rationalization. Now 1 into root 2 will become root 2 and down it is root 2 into root 2. And now you know that it is a square root. So here root 2 into 2 will come. And beta root 2 into 2 means from here one pair 2 will come out. So it will become root 2 by 2. I hope you might have understood. This one you have understood or not? Quickly tell me. We will play with this. Ready, everyone? Okay. Now tell me what will be 1 by root 3 answer. Root 3 answer, give me. You can write a statement also. Fabulous, Keshav. Root 3 by 3. Kanishka, correct. Madhumita, Merunisa, root 3 by 3. Vishal, root 3 by 3. Ashwin, root 3 by 3. Divyashri, root 3 by 3. Jiva, root 3 by 3. Only this much, children. What about others? Okay. Super. Fabulous piece of work. Krisha also root 3 by 3. Okay. Now go to the next one, beta. Naresh understood, beta. Naresh. Naresh understood the concept. Naresh understood the concept. Okay. Now next question. Ready, everyone? Rationalize it, beta. Let's see who can get the answer and tell. Oh, super. Acha, Darni, I'll explain, beta. That Darshini, I'll explain one more time. Divyash is telling 2 by 5. Okay. Vishal, 2 by 5. Keshav, root 10 by 5. Maharunisha. Look here, beta. Now I told you, na denominator part you have to rationalize. So denominator is what? Root 5. So write root 5 by root 5. Now beta, here it is root 2 into root 5. And down is root 5 into root 5 means it will be inside. So here beta, root 2 into root 5 will become root 10. 2 5s are 10 beta, because root 3 into root 2 is written as root 6. Note down this one. So this one will become root 10, and here 5 5 one pair will be there because same number repeated 2 times. So 5 will come out. So exactly, Keshav is absolutely correct. Only one person, then Keshav itself said, then Ashwin, then Ashwin, simplest form, no, it will not be. In simplest form, it will not be 2 by 5. It will be root 10 by 5. The correct answer is root 10 by 5. Naresh, understood? Shiva Naresh, it will be root 10 by 5. Root 10 by 5. I repeat, root 10 by 5. Shall I give you one more time? Vineet, understood? Okay, let's go for next question, because how much you will solve, that much your hand will become free. Tell me what will be the answer. Let's see who will take more time. Correct, V. Krishna told. Same question I have given. Correct, Keshav. Root 10 by 2, root 10 by 2, root 10 by 2, root 10 by 2, root 10 by 2. It should come. Root should be going there, Ashwin. Now we'll go to next question. Now tell me what will be the answer. Root 3 by root 7. Root 3 by root 7, beta. Now think about root 3 by root 7 and say the answer. Very good, Meronisha. The correct answer is root 21 by 7. Absolutely fabulous piece of work. Vishal, root 21 by 7. Absolutely correct answer. Kanishka, root left. Krishna, root forgot. Okay, Ashwin, root 21 by 7. Fabulous piece of answer. Very good. Now, beta, how this will come? Darshini. Darshini is telling I didn't understood. Now, Darshini, tell me how you understood. What is there in the denominator? Denominator is root 7. So multiply it with denominator number root 7, root 7. So root 21 by 7, root 21 by 7, root 21 by 7, root 21 by 7. Darshini understood, Ashwin understood. Now everybody started asking next question. Keshav solved the process also. I am solving today a bit slow because pen is not working that much. I'm writing slowly. Question is, ready is, tell me the answer. Super. Ashwin is the first one. Root 55 by 11. Marunisa second. Darshini third. Darshini third. Jiva fourth. Keshav fifth. Jiva, okay. Sixth, Vishal. Seventh, Kanishka. Then Darshini already gave seventh. And then Vineet. And then Krisha. Shiva Naresh, understood or not, beta? Tell me. With what you have to multiply here, beta? With what you have to multiply here? Darshan is asking next question. What you have to multiply here, Kanishka? Root 11. You have to multiply it with what? Root 11. Shiva Naresh, root 11, beta. You have only not answered. So root 11. Root 11. Because root 11 is there now. Whatever number is there with same, you have to multiply. So now, beta, here it will become root 5 into root 11. It is coming root 11 into root 11. Haha. Root 55 by 11. So now I'll increase the difficulty of level. This time we are going to do this question. 1 by 2 plus root 5. When this question will come, how to rationalize it? Means if someone will tell you that rationalize 1 by 2 plus root 5, then beta, you have to remember one thing. Don't multiply it with same number. You have to multiply it with different number. Because look here. So if here 2 plus root 5 is there, you are going to multiply with 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. So definitely whatever sign is there, that's opposite sign you have to write. So here sign is plus, then opposite to plus is minus. Then 2 minus root 5 into 1 will become 2 minus root 5. Now 2, 2. So it will become 2 square minus root under 5 whole square. So 2 minus root 5. Now beta here 2 square will become 4 minus root under 5 2 times written. That means 5. So what answer will come? 2 minus root 5 by minus 1. Minus 1 will be there, beta. Minus 1 will be there. 2 minus root 5. 4 minus 5 is 1 and it is minus. Okay, I will solve more questions like this. Let me solve. Let me keep on solving. Then you will be able to understand the strategies. Okay. So next question I'm solving. Now, next question Darshini gave me, Auntie, you solve this question. Root 7 minus 3. I said, okay, here minus is there. So I will write everything. But instead of minus, I will add plus. So now it will become beta what? 1 into root 7. So root 7 plus 3. Now denominator a minus b into a plus b. This is coming in the format a minus b and this is coming in the format a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b formula is a square minus b square. So here 7 minus 3 is there and 7 plus 3 is there. So it will become beta, wait, it will become 7 square minus root 3 square. So it will become 7 root 7 plus 3 and here it will become 7 minus 3. So this one will become root 7 plus 3 by 4. Here it is only 3 beta. So this 3 will become 9. So 9 minus 3, 7 is minus 2. Only 3 was there, na? So 3 square will become 9. Did you understood anything? Quickly tell me. Then I will solve more questions. Tell me. Understood anything? No, ma'am. Okay, very good. Correct only. If you are not understanding, directly say no, ma'am, not understood. You have to use identity, beta. You have to use only one identity. Look here. Here, which identity you are going to use? Here you are going to use this identity a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. This is the most important identity you are going to use here. Which identity? Okay, Vineet is telling he understood, Ashwin understood, Divya Shri understood. Okay, so look here, beta. How to write it, I will tell you. So this identity you remember, and now you see how to solve the question. 7 minus root 3 to the power 1. Yes, beta, these identities only you are going to use, but here it is written 1 by 7 minus root 3. So what you are going to multiply with? Quickly tell me. 7 minus root 3 is there. So what you are going to multiply with? What you are going to multiply with? 7 plus root 3. Very good. Vishal, Kanishka, Darshani, Keshav, everyone is correct. Here also 7 plus root 3. Now beta 1 into 7 plus root 3 will be coming as 7 plus root 3. Now beta here a minus b and a plus b. It is coming in the format a minus b into a plus b. And what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? See, look here. Isn't it looking like 7a minus b into a plus b? If you will take 7 as a and b as root 3, then isn't it looking a minus b, 7 as a and b as root 3? So a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b will be written as a square minus b square. So b is root 3. So now 7 plus root 3 will be left as it is. 7 square will become 49. Root 3 whole square will become 3 only. So 7 plus root 3 by 46. Now tell me, bachcha log, you have understood or not? Did you understood anything or still now not understood? Yes, beta. It will be easy. How many questions is there? Now I'll keep on solving in front of you. It will become easy for you. I promise maths I will make in a different easy level and you will be able to understand. It's my promise to you, beta. Next question. Okay, get ready. I don't know you will be solving or not, but I will solve. I enjoy solving these questions. 2 minus root 3. Then with what I'll multiply? 3 square is 9. Correct, Keshav? Then this one will become 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3, everything will be same, only here minus is there, so opposite to minus will come plus. Correct, very good. Who said that? Darshini said. Darshini told I was not understanding, and now this girl only is answering. And now beta, down it is coming in what format? A minus B into A plus B. What is the formula for A minus B into A plus B? A square minus B square. So what is A? A is 2. So 2 square, because it is not having, 2 is not having root, correct only Vinit. So 2 is not having root, so 2 square will become 4, root 3 square. Beta 2 square means what? 2 2 is a 4, root 3 square means what? Root 3 into root 3, so only 1 3 will come out. So here 3 came out. So answer is 2 plus root 3 by 1. That is 2 plus root 3 by 1. Ashwin gave the answer. Vishal gave the answer. Vinny told that point. Keshav already got the answer. Darshini got the answer. Naresh understood, beta. Naresh is only not talking to me. He's angry on me, I guess. Naresh understood, beta. Okay, Vinith is telling. Very easy, ma'am. Krishna is telling. Okay, Ashwin. Okay, okay, Naresh. No problem, beta. Video recorded is there. You will be 100% able to see that part also. Oh, Kanishka is asking auntie question. Okay, ready, Phir? Chalo, I'm ready. Say the answer. Keshav first. Ashwin second. Darshini third. Darshini written not. Meronisha third. Kanishka fourth. Krishna fifth. Jiva sixth. Fine. Darshini, Jiva, everybody is writing. So what we are going to do? Root 7 minus root 3, root 5. Root 7 minus root 5. Now root 7 minus root 5 will be written as it is root 7 minus root 5. Now down A plus B into A minus B. Formula is correct only, Darshini. You were correct that time, but that mistake was there. So now this one will become beta root 7 minus root 5 by 7 minus 5. So root 7 minus root 5 by 2. Okay, ready. Question is 1 by root 3 minus 1. Answer please. Keshav told the answer first. Next, Merunisa. Okay, next Darshini. Then Darshini, denominator wrong, beta. Merunisa, then Ashwin, then V. Krishna, then Jiva, then Darshini has corrected it. Jiva, okay. Now look here, what do you have to write? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So this one will become root 3 plus 1. And here 3 square. Okay, quickly tell me this answer. 1 by root 2 minus, say, 1 by root 5 minus root 2. Easy. Very good. Root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3. Merun is